Today, I am going to meet some more smart kidlings. They are brave. They are trying something new. Da, da, da. They are going to operate the machines. Pretty cool, huh?
A safety helmet.
Safety tip. You must wear special vest so people can see you. And hat that is hard to keep your smart brain safe. Then it is time to learn to lift things. Move things. Dig the dirt up and move it around. This looks like so much fun. I want to try. And lift it up. This one? I lifted it up. Yeah? Push down. Okay. There we go. And we pull backwards. Yes. That's so cool. High five. All right. Holy patootie. That looked like fun. What did you like the best?
Mine was the machine that I did, a tower crane.
Ah, the tower crane. Oh, very good.
I learned the ball picking up over there.
The ball picking up. Very technical term, this thingy. I think you are very smart to learn this. How could you do it?
We had an instructor who taught us, and then he taught us how it works.
Oh, was he a good instructor?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
He did the same
And
to us.
do you have to have good collaboration to do this?
Even coordination.
Coordination. And what is coordination?
Using two arms to do something.
Using two arms and listening and yes, so you must listen when you operate big machines.
You have to think it out and then do it.
So, there you have it. There are so many things that you need to be smart for. Remember, Ellard says the smartest thing you can do is be kind to each other. Isn't that good?
Yes.
Okay, who wants to dig up more stuff? Me too, let's go! Yeah! Let's